loop underscore demo dot py. Okay, so let's say I have I cannot generate a list. Let's say I'm running for I in range, and let's say this range contains 100 elements. So this loop is going to run 100 times. Okay, so print, I can write I, and maybe I can modify the behavior of the print statement so that all the numbers are printed in the same line, separated by space in between. Okay, let's try running this code. It's a very simple code, Python, and the name of the file is loop underscore demo dot py. You see, it starts with 0, ending at 99, and all values are separated by a space in between. Okay, now what I want to demonstrate is how break statement works. So let's say it is printing all the 9900 values, and I say if I equal, or maybe equal, let's say 50. What I want is break the loop. When I reaches to the value 50, it should break the loop. It should terminate the program because I do not have anything else in this program. I'm not removing this so that you can easily compare. Just bringing it up and running this code again. And you can see as soon as the value of I hit 50, it actually prints the value 50 and then compare it and then break the loop. Okay? Now, any question here? So again, what I'm demonstrating here, you may expect to have similar kind of simple code in your exam, and you would be required to give the possible output. Okay, the logical questions. So I might give you a snippet of code, simply like 4 lines of code, and I might ask you like when will it break, or what will be an output of a certain piece of code. So you should know how break statement work. Okay, you should know how continue statement work. Let's say if I give you a demo of here. So if I equals 50, continue. Okay, which means that what do you think? What will be a difference in the output? Again, practice for your exam. Yes.
Will it skip the 50?
It will skip the 50. It will not print 50. So until this condition satisfy, it will keep printing, because this condition will only satisfy when the value of I is 50. Okay, so until this condition satisfy, it will keep printing this value, and as soon as I becomes 50, it will continue. Continue means skip whatever you have written down there, and it will jump back to the next iteration of the loop. So without printing the value of I when it is 50, it will start printing from the next value. Let's see again. And you see here 49 and 50 is skipped. Okay, so this is how break and continue statement works. Any question? No?